Welcome back, fellow video editors. Get ready for the second episode of our mind-blowing Capcut tutorial series. In today's video, I have some incredible technique to share with you. 3 powerful methods to split file in Capcut. Plus, I have got a secret ninja shortcut that will take your editing game to a whole new level. Sounds good, right? Let's dive right in. The first method to split files in Capcut is super simple. Just locate the point in the video where you want to split it. Then click on the split icon, usually found in the toolbar or menu. Voila! Your file is now divided into 2 separate segments. Now, let's move to the second method. Capcut offers a handy feature that allows you to split files by automatically deleting the left side of your pointer. Simply position your pointer where you want to split and click on this icon, or just press the keyboard on your keyboard. Capcut will automatically delete everything to the left of this pointer, giving you a clean split. But wait, there's more. Capcut also provides a fantastic feature to split files by auto-deleting the right side of your pointer. Position your pointer where you want to split and click on this icon, or just press W key on your keyboard. Look at that! Capcut removes everything to the right, creating a seamless split in an instant. Now, here's the secret ninja shortcut you have been waiting for. Just press Ctrl plus B on your keyboard to perform a normal split with just a single keystroke. And to make your life even easier, I will reveal a hidden trick. Just press the B key on your keyboard to change your pointer into a split mode. Now, with a simple left click on your mouse, you can split your file effortlessly. Congratulations! You have just learned the 3 amazing methods to split file in Capcut. From the normal split icon to auto-deleting the left and right side of your pointer. These techniques will take your editing skill to new heights. Don't forget the ninja shortcut, Ctrl plus B, Q key and W key on your keyboards. They will save your precious time and make your editing workflow a breeze. Make sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss the next episode of our Capcut tutorial series. We'll be diving into advanced editing techniques, mind-blowing effects, and so much more. Hit that subscribe button and turn off the notification bell and stay in the loop. Thank you. See you next video.